Hello, in this screencast I'm going to make a short demo on how to add audio to a Cocos2d-x 3.0 Alpha 1 project. So I'm already in the Cocos2d-x 3.0 Alpha 1 folder. I'm going to go to the project creator folder and run the create project script. So I'll call it audio example, package name edu.fullsail.mgms.emto.audio example, language C++. Okay, open up Xcode, make sure it runs. So it runs. So I need some audio files. I'm going to go to a couple of websites I found. One is bfxr.net. And at this website, you can make sound effects. Every time you click the button, it gives you one that's a little bit different, and you can save the one you like. So I'll save that power up sound effect, export the wave file, put it in my resources directory. So I'm here at uniquetracks.com/freemusicloops.html, and I'm just going to download one of these. That sounds good. And I'm going to go back to my Xcode project and right click on the resources folder and add the files to the folder. Power up and obstacle course. So let's open up hello world scene.cpp. I want to include simple audio engine.h. And down here I'm going to call the Cocos2d-x class and the simple audio engine class and get an instance of it, and then call the function called play background music. And then I'll give it my file name, which is obstaclecourse.wave. And I'm going to take over this menu button in the bottom right corner, the X. Instead of ending, I'm going to have it play a sound effect. So this time I'm going to use the function play effect. And I'll give it my other wave file power up. And let's run that and see what happens. So the background music plays, and if I click the power button, well, it exits because I didn't delete this code. Let's try again. Okay, so I hope you can use this to add sound effects to your game.